Hi there YouTube. Okay, today we are going to be putting the JJRC H8C Quadcopter to the test, to the limits. It's snow's coming down a little bit. It's just eased off now, but it's pretty windy, and there's quite a lot of reports of the motors on these things going. So what we're going to do is the battery's had a full charge, and we're going to be testing the battery and the quadcopter to its limits. Now it is very windy, so we're going to keep the quadcopter fairly close, but what we're going to do is fly it to its battery limit, see how long the battery lasts for, and hopefully none of the motors will go on us. So first off, we get the quadcopter synced up. Nice level surface there on the snow. Switch on the remote control. You want this throttle down there, and then the switch on the bottom of the quadcopter there, and I switched it on. So nice level surface in the snow there. Okay, so now it's ready to sync up. So push that up. Okay, so make it start it off now. We'll see the timer on the screen. So if we start it now and see how much flight time we've got. So there it is. You can see, really windy. So the wind's really knocking it about a bit there. And we've got, yeah, it's really windy, so we won't go too far with it. By the way, don't go flying over your neighbour's gardens without permission. We've got permission from next door there, so. Now going left there, really fighting against that wind. So yeah, it's pretty windy, so we're keeping the quadcopter close. But what we're going to do basically here is we're just testing the motors, and we're just testing the battery life and how much flight time you get. So it's really fighting the wind a little bit there, but it's doing well because it is pretty windy, so. Still going quite well, yeah, fighting against the wind a little bit, but still holding against it good. Very windy. But yeah, it's definitely handling the wind better than the Syma X5C, that's for sure. It's very windy right now, and I am losing it a little bit, but not too hard to recover. Looking on the weather channel before we came out, it said winds at about 12 miles an hour, and then there's a gust of course as well, so very windy. I'm not doing so bad in it. How long has the video been recording?
4:30.
4:30. So I think we started flying about a minute after, didn't we? So. Yeah, it's got quite a lot of power in this. And even though it's very windy, it's quite stable. Well, very stable really, considering it's got no GPS. Yeah. Oh dear, keep it going. So, under the washing line there. The wind is having a bit of fun with it, so I'm having to fight in the left direction to keep it from just blowing away. So what I'm doing is I'm going full on left and then just releasing the direction stick as the breeze is slightly this way, and as you can see it's coming right as if I'm pushing right, but I'm not. Yeah. But yeah, it's fighting against that wind very, very well. This is probably about our 8th flight with this quadcopter, and so far we've not seen any of the reported problems with the motors. So as well as testing the battery limit on this flight here, we're also giving the motors a test to their extreme, as we're keeping them going for as long as possible with the standard twin battery that comes with it. So we're a good few minutes into the flight time now, and no problems. Very windy, but managing to control it. Nearly lost that there, down behind the fence. But very quick to pick it up when I stuck on the throttle there, so very responsive this. I mean, at the moment basically I'm just keeping it in the sky and keeping it close by, as there's a lot of wind to fight. But for a non-GPS low budget quad, it's handling this wind, because the wind is very heavy at the moment, and it's handling it very, very well. So how long have we been?
8:03.
Right, so I'm guessing we'll be not too far away from the battery limit now, so what I'm going to do is keep it quite close. Now what we're going to do is put an annotation at the bottom of the screen which shows how long it's been up in the air for, so just to gauge how long the battery's lasting. This battery's only been used 8 or 9 times we've flown the quad, so it's a fairly new battery and it was charged to its full capacity, so it'll give you an idea of how long the standard battery lasts. And the motors are holding up fine, which is good. Okay, I can see the blue light on the side flashing there now. I'm guessing that's indicating to me that the battery's getting there, so we'll leave it in the sky. Oh, right against that there? No, then there we go. So that's the time that the battery's gone. It's just gone down next door, so I'll go and get that now. So yeah, no motor failure, and the battery lasts probably about 8 minutes, but you'll see on the screen exactly how that was. So thanks for watching.